This is the Mungyo Gallery Artist Extra Soft Oil Pastels in 72 colors. I purchased this because it came in this lovely wooden box with 72 different colors to choose from. Comes with this little color card. Shows you all of their products and all of the colors that they have, so you can get the name. This was a really great set. These are really soft, and I was able to do a lot of different projects to test it out. I took a class, and these are some of the artwork that I was able to produce in that class. And here you can see some blending. I was able to blend a little bit. I think this is a really great set for beginners because there's so many colors. Let's see. There's so many colors, so you don't have to blend that much. There's probably a color you can use. I even tested out doing the sky. This is where you see the blending the most. A little beach scene. I really loved how the colors, these muted colors you don't always find in some of the other sets. It's really great for creating a nice muted tone painting. Crashing waves in the sunset. So I really enjoyed using these. I'm definitely going to use these more. And I kind of wish I got the larger set with even more colors, but these were fun. You get a variety of colors to choose from. I really love the tones that they've chosen, like the olive greens, some of the more muted colors. You go through white quite a bit, trying to mix colors, but I definitely recommend this for beginners. It's soft, it goes on pretty creamy. It's not too hard, not too soft. There are other ones out there that you can try that have harder or softer consistency, but this is a great beginner set, and I recommend everyone try it for their collection.